Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Coach Amber George of CoachAmberGeorge.com. I am a certified personal trainer, certified running coach, along with other certified things. I specialize in postpartum women that have had babies, women obviously that have had babies is what I'm trying to say. And I work with women all over this country as well as in my hometown. Be sure to hit subscribe on the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to incorporate HIIT into your workout routine. So grab a cup of coffee and let's talk some fitness. So before we get into this, I'd really like to talk about a rant that I have, and that is, have you ever scrolled through Pinterest and you see these things that say things like, try this drink and you will lose 10 pounds in 10 days. Or how about losing 25 pounds every month for the rest of your life? That is literally one I have seen. Don't even get me started on the different kinds of pills that you can probably take. Let's just not even go there, okay? Stop the madness. Let's focus in. We actually want to reach our goals, right? Obviously, we want to reach our goals. And here's how we do that, right? We come up with a plan, okay? Now, what does that have to do with HIIT? HIIT is a perfect way to get some awesome cardio and build strength. Before we go into that, I want to say I love weight training for weight loss. I love it. It helps get my girls stronger. It gets them more confident, but it also helps with that weight loss, right? Because they're not so heavily focused on the scale. They're focused on getting stronger, which is also where I like to incorporate that HIIT component. HIIT is also a solid option for those days that you simply can't make it to the gym, right? Because let's face it, we're moms. Sometimes we can't make it to the gym. Let's be honest. Sometimes we can't even finish our dang cup of coffee before having to warm it up 4 times. Let's talk about what HIIT isn't. HIIT is not getting on the treadmill or the elliptical or the rower or the Stairmaster and going to town forever. HIIT is a focus on anaerobic exercise. Anaerobic means lack of oxygen. Go with me here for the science bit, okay? Anaerobic means lack of oxygen, which means you are going as fast as you can for 60 seconds or less. So HIIT is not a circuit, right? I do like circuits. The circuits are a great option. I especially like body weight circuits or weighted circuits where you actually use weights in your circuit, but HIIT is not a circuit. For example, a circuit might be, okay guys, we've got 20 minutes. We are going to do this exercise, and this exercise. Keep going with me for the examples. Let's say you've got 20 minutes, and here's your list of exercises. You're going to do 13 jumping jacks. You're going to do a lap around the track. Then you're going to do 14 kettlebell swings. I totally made that up off the top of my head, by the way, just at this very moment. And then you do that as many times as you can in 13 minutes. That is a circuit. Another drink of coffee. It's appropriate. HIIT is, here's an example. 5 rounds. For the first 45 seconds, you are going to do jumping jacks. You're going to rest for 20 or 30 seconds. Then for the next 45 seconds, you're going to do mountain climbers. You're going to rest for 20 or 30 seconds. Then for the next 45 seconds, you're going to do kettlebell swings. Then you're going to rest for 20 or 30 seconds. And then you could pick, a couple other exercises. I wouldn't do more than 5 exercises, but then you're going to do 5 rounds of those 5 exercises, working 45 seconds at a time, 20 to 30 seconds of rest. Does that make sense? I hope so. The biggest thing about HIIT is to not go over that 60-second mark, because you want to go as hard as you can during that 45 to 60 seconds, okay? There are several benefits to HIIT, but one of the biggest ones is time. I work with a lot of moms, right? I said that at the beginning of the video. They don't have a lot of time. They need to get in, get out, be done. Sometimes we can't even make it to the gym, and we can do a HIIT workout at home, right? So, that being said, time. You can do a absolutely killer workout in very little time with HIIT workouts. Anybody need a drink of coffee? I do. I've been talking a few minutes. Oh, look at that. I spilled it. Can you believe that? I can. Now that I have myself cleaned up of coffee, let's move on to another benefit of HIIT workouts, shall we? Doing those anaerobic workouts, remember anaerobic means lack of oxygen. It keeps the metabolism revved up for a couple of hours afterwards, and that phenomenon is called EPOC. And that really is something that's really noteworthy about HIIT workouts. What's the translation? Fat burning, right? Remember, you lose weight in a calorie deficit, but HIIT workouts can help rev that up, rev that speed up. Remember? Okay, good. Let's move on. Let's have one last cup of coffee or one last drink of coffee. I don't know. I've already had a couple of cups this morning, so I may be done for the day. So, one last thing you might wonder about is, do I always incorporate HIIT workouts into my client programs? The answer is no, I don't always do that. And the reason is everybody's different. You have to decide. I help decide for my clients. We work together, but I help decide for my clients whether or not HIIT is appropriate for them. But you as a reader, you as a listener, have to decide for yourself. Would HIIT be appropriate for me? Because remember, you ultimately make the decisions for your life. I can help by providing information and by you reading my blogs and my videos and different things like that. But at the end of the day, you make the decision. It's up to you to decide what works for you and your schedule and what doesn't. And thank you so much for listening. Again, my name is Coach Amber George. Be sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And I am from CoachAmberGeorge.com.